Hi Ari. Okay, I'm going to look at question 9 of the non-calculator. Right, try again. So we're doing this one, aren't we? We're doing the integral of 3 all over x minus 1 with respect to x. And we're doing it between slightly weird limits because we've got e plus 1 and 2. Okay, so what do we differentiate at 3 over x minus 1? If it's a function with x on the bottom underneath this bottom here, in this syllabus it has to be ln of something that we start with. When we differentiate ln x, we get 1 over x. If I differentiate ln x minus 1, I'd get 1 over x minus 1. That's not quite what we've got though. We've got 3 over x minus 1, so that means that we must have had 3 lots of this to start with. So start off with that 3 times ln brackets x minus 1. If I differentiated this, I get to this. So if I integrate this, I get back to this. So that's the starting point, but then we need to evaluate it. It's not, normally if it was indeterminate, we just put plus c at the end, but it's not. We've got limits, so we're gonna actually evaluate it and get a number or an expression at the end of it. So here we've got e plus 1 and 2. So I'm going to put this value into this function first, find out what it is, then put this value in, and then do this one, take away this one. So let's have a look first. So we're going to have 3 lots of ln, oh, blimey, that's bad, brackets e plus 1 instead of x, e plus 1, and you can sort of see why they're doing this now, because it looks hideous. You've got the e plus 1, but then I'm just taking away 1 from that. So I've got the e plus 1 for the x, take away 1, and I need to work out what that is. So it's that in some big brackets like that. Well, that's going to be 3 lots of ln e, because the plus 1 minus 1 is going to cancel each other out. And ln, remember, is log base e. So we're saying, what do we have to? What power would e be raised to get e? Well, e to the power of 1 is e. So that's ln e is 1 times 3. It's going to be 3. So all that looked a bit hideous just goes down to 3. And then we need to take away the, we're going to substitute the 2 in, so we're going to do 3 ln 2 minus 1, substituting 2 for the x, cosy, and again, well, 2 minus 1, I think we can do that. It's going to give us ln 1. So we're saying, remember this is log base e, so we're saying e to the power of what gives me 1? Well, remember that anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so in fact ln of 1 is 0, which we know, that's where it crosses through the x-axis. 3 times 0 is 0, so it's going to be 3 minus 0, and all that hideous looking stuff just simplifies to give me, and that is that. Okay, if that's no good, let me know.